How is everybody doing today? I need to make this a little bigger. I got a couple more things to show today. All right, drawers open. Put stuff away. All right, let's look at this. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, module 5, lesson 8. I am Mr. Short. All right, today we're on page 39, and we also need page 37 because you got to cut this ruler out. So when you cut the ruler, cut on the lines it shows you. Don't change it. They gave you the dotted lines. Use the dotted lines they told you to cut on. That's what I'm doing. I'm not changing what they told me to do. There's that. I cut mine out. Shouldn't take you too long to cut yours out. Pause the video if you need to cut that out. After you unpause it, click that subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. Aha, see? Trying to trick you. All right, well, let's look at this one. It says, cut out the ruler, measure the length. Remember, when you measure, you want to line up. I'm going to put a line going up my paper here, all right, just to see where my edge starts. Now, if I go to the end, I don't have to draw another line. I can just kind of use my pencil. So if we're looking at how to measure this in inches, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. And right there is our fifth one, and that's at the end. So I'm going to write right here and go 5 inches. All right. Now this says measure each side. So I got to measure all the sides. Okay, we can do that. So I got my line there already. I'm going to measure this side. That side is about, remember, you can use your pencil again if you need to, 1 inch. Let's go across the top. We got about 3 inches. This side, 1 inch. And this side, here's a hint, when all the corners are nice and square, like that, that, and that, it's also going to be the same as the top, and it is 3 inches. All right, so now it says, what is the sum of all the sides? The sum is the number when we add all the sides together. So you can do 3, 3, 1, 1, plus. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1. You can even show it this way if you want. 6. 6 plus 1. 7. 7 plus 1. 8. So the size is 8 inches. Then it says find the difference between the longest and the shortest side. So the longest, well, that's the same. The longest is this. The shortest is this. It says the difference. When you see difference, that means we are subtracting. But you got to find this answer on your own and make sure at the end you have, or it's wrong because they give you the unit of measurement. If you see the unit of measurement is given to you, you have to have it down there. All right. That's it for today. That one was nice, right? I'll do a little cutting, a little measuring. Make sure you have this from page 37. All right. Make sure you go along. I know I show you how to do it and I show you the answers, but make sure you're practicing too. All right. Make sure you're also seeing it. Make sure it also makes sense to you. All right. That's it for me today. I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, module 5, lesson 8 on page 39. As always, and I really do mean this, have a good night.